Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl, Phylly, back with another short and quick update on Tim Norman. I don't think I ever reported on this document that was filed July 25th. So, again, Tim Norman, he was convicted for plotting and orchestrating and having the murking of his nephew, Andre Montgomery, having his life taken. We've covered all of that. You guys know the backstory. He is currently serving life in prison for that. Rest in peace to Andre. Okay. We remember Dre. We covered it so well. Um, Miss Griggs and everyone still praying for them. And Tim, he is serving life for what he did. Justice was finally served. Yes, it was. Was it not? But rest in peace, Dre. There he is with his mom. All right, let's go ahead and get to what I came here to talk about. So this document here was filed, guys, on July 25th, I believe. It says Declaration of Publication. All right, and I'm not going to read everything, but goes on to say that I declare under penalty of perjury that the foregoing is true and correct. Executed on July 25th, 2023, St. Louis, Missouri. Pretty much it says in accordance with statute 853 and all of that good stuff of criminal procedure, notice of the forfeiture was posted on an official government internet site for at least 30 consecutive days beginning March the 3rd of 2023 and ending April 1st of 2023. And that was signed by Christine Abrams, a forfeiture specialist. We come on down here and it says that notice is hereby given that on February 27th of 2023, in the case of U.S. versus James Timothy Norman, we know him well. Court case, and there's the case number. It says a cashier's check in the amount of the $4,476.49 was seized from Forrester's Financial on November the 13th, 2020. That's the money that Tim received back as a refund for all of the premiums he paid on that fraudulent policy that he had him and Wally put together on Dre. Y'all remember that, the $450,000 life insurance policy, which is the reason Dre ultimately lost his life. Greed, hunger, money. It says the U.S. hereby gives notice of its intent to dispose of the forfeited property in such manner as the U.S. Attorney General may direct. Any person other than the defendant in this case claiming interest in the forfeited property must file an ancillary petition within 60 days of the first date of publication. So I don't know if someone has done that or who's going to actually get that money. They need to give it to Ms. Griggs. It says notice of official government internet website, and it goes on to tell you all of the codes and all of that. It says the ancillary petition shall be signed by the petitioner under penalty of perjury and shall set forth the nature and extent of the petitioner's right, title, or interest in the forfeited property, the time and circumstances of the petitioner's acquisition of the right, title, and interest in the forfeited property. Then it goes on to say, following the court's disposition of the ancillary petitions filed, or if no such petitions are filed, I wonder who's going to file for the ownership of that $4,000. It should go to no one but Ms. Griggs. It says, following the expiration of the period specified above for the filing of such ancillary petitions, the United States shall have clear title to the property and may not warrant good title to any subsequent purchaser or transferee. The government may also consider granting petitions for remission or mitigation, which pardon all or part of the property from the forfeiture. A petition must include a description of your interest in the property supported by documentation. Include any facts you believe justify the return of the property and be signed under oath, subject to the penalty of perjury, or meet the requirements of an unsworn statement. I think Tim would try to claim this check again if he could. Money was his downfall. Greed was his downfall. It says the petition for remission need not be made in any particular form and may be filed online or in writing. You should file a petition for remission no later than 11:59 p.m., 30 days after the date of the final petition of this notice. Okay. And then it just gives a link and it says, if you cannot find the desired assets online, you must file your petition for remission in writing. And it gives them the address. And I believe that's pretty much it on that, guys. So Tim, that money was seized from him. Yes, it was seized from him. He did not deserve it. No, he did not deserve that money anyway. That was the refund of all of the premiums that he paid on that fraudulent $450,000 policy that he took out on our beloved Dre. Once again, that's my quick update on Tim Norman. The government seized that refund check he received from Forrester's insurance company. Who will end up with it? I don't know. But one thing I do know, and two things for sure. Tim Norman is now serving life for having the life of Dre taken. Okay, guys. Thank you all for supporting me, and I truly do appreciate it. Make sure you like this video, thumbs it up, and share it out. All right?
It's been a long, long time, honey, but I know, yeah. Store. Everybody ain't your friend, everybody ain't your partner. I say I got you. Well, just hold it down and keep it solid. And when you're not around, I protect your name, I won't talk about you. Everybody ain't your friend.